Hi everyone, Einat Kessler here with a new tutorial, and today we are making a pop-up gift card holder, which is really cool and fun. And like always, you have a link to the cutting guide and the instructions in the description under the video, so you can download it from there, pre-cut all your pieces for this project in advance. So I have here the base that I'm going to fold in half. And always use a bone folder to burnish your folds. And I'm using double-sided cardstock. It's always the best when you do pop-ups or interactive or cards. So because both sides are visible, it's best to use a double-sided cardstock. I'm going to cover the inside of the pop-up gift card holder first. And again, you have all the measurements in the cutting guide that you can download from the link under the video in the description. So I'm using Christmas theme papers, but this is good for birthdays, anniversaries. Just change the patterns and the colors of the paper, and then you can use it for any occasion. So once I have these pieces glued, I can go ahead and make the piece that will hold the gift card. This is the mechanism that we're going to add to our card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to score this piece when the long side is on the top. I'm going to score it at 1 inch and then at 3 inches. At 4 and 6. So basically what we're creating is sort of a 3D triangle that we're going to add to the card, and that will hold our gift card in place and pop up when we open the card. So that's going to be really cool. So what I'm going to do next is make a slit, a cut inside on the cardstock, and that will be the place where we insert our gift card. So I'm doing this, I'm going to flip it over so you can see it. So I'm going to align our paper with 2 inches. And I'm just going to use an old gift card, center it between the top and the bottom, and make 2 little marks with the pencil. So I'll know where to start my slit. Basically, we're going to center it. Again, we're going to align the left edge with 2 inches and then cut from 7 inch all the way down to 4 1/4. You can do this with a craft knife too. So this is aligned with 2 inches, and then you're going to make that cut from 7/8 to 4 1/4. So now I'm going to take a craft knife. I want to widen the cut a little bit, just a little bit, so my gift card will be easily inserted. So I'm just using a craft knife, and I'm just widening the cut. I think it's going to be even less than 1/16 of an inch. Very, very, very small width. And then cut it out with your craft knife. I'm just going to show you how small it is, because we don't want see, it's very, very narrow. We don't want the gift card to fall through the cut. We want the cut to be tight enough to hold it while it stands like this. You see? Okay, so once we have that ready, we can go ahead and fold the paper. We're going to fold in the same direction for all the score lines that we made. And of course, we need very burnished folds, so use your bone folder or your finger. So once we have that folded, we're going to apply glue to the last tab, and we're going to attach the other edge to it. So this way we'll have a 3D triangle. Like this. And this is what's going to hold the gift card in its place, and it's going to pop up when we open the card. Okay, so this is the back side. We want it to face the inside of the card. So we're going to add glue to the bottom of our square and then attach it to the inside of the card, to the bottom part, and you have to align it with the center, or with the center score line. Just make sure that it's aligned, and then we can attach it to the other part of the card. Just apply glue, just making sure that it's straight. Apply glue to the right tab here, and then simply close the card like this, and that will attach the side wall of this 3D rectangle and make it pop up like this. So now all you need to do is embellish the front, and again you have all the measurements in the cutting guide, so you can just go ahead to the description under the video, click the link and download it, and then pre-cut all your pieces. So just embellish the front with whatever paper, stickers, letters that you want. I just made a few layers of paper to make it nice and festive, and I also want to add some dimension to the front. I like to make it a little bit more interesting by adding some foam tape. So when you attach things with foam tape, it gives it dimension, makes it pop a little bit more, makes it a little bit more interesting. So this piece I'm going to attach with some foam tape that will make it pop. I like to get the foam tape that comes in a roll. This way I can control the size, the length. So I don't like to get the pre-cut pieces of foam tape. Sometimes they're too small or they're too big. This way I can cut my own pieces and control their size. Okay, so now you have to remove the backing and attach it to the front of your card. If you don't have foam tape, you can just attach a few pieces of cardboard or chipboard, something that will give it more dimension and make it pop. So basically, our gift card holder is ready. All you need to do is insert your gift card, and then it's ready, and then you can give it to someone really special, and they will be really happy to receive something like this because it's really pretty. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything. I hope you like this video. I want to thank everyone for joining me, and I will see you next time.